so back to my channel. Do you guys remember part 1? Now it's part 2. Okay, I guess this is the address. Wow, I did not know that you can understand me. What's this? That's kind of weird. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to buy one of these backpacks? No, thanks. I'm fine. Oh my gosh, do not piss, ma'am. No. No. We don't allow that, ma'am. Here, would you like to get this puppy? Sorry, ma'am, but do you have any, tickets for, to get my face done a little bit? Oh, you mean the makeup store? Oh, yes, we definitely do that. Here you go. This is the makeup. That's just paint. Oh, sorry, ma'am, but let's just pretend it's makeup, dear. No thanks. Here, take this puppy. It looks like he likes you. Ma'am, I'd rather go. So, no. Here, take this bag. Maybe my hair. No, ma'am. I'm sorry, but I think I gotta go. Okay, bye, loser. Jeez. Can you at least open this cabinet? Okay, sure, ma'am. Jesus. Here you go, ma'am. Thanks, I guess. Jeez, she's so weird. Ooh, cool. Ooh, hello. Who are you? Oh, sorry. Did I scare you? Would you like to buy anyone here? No, I'm just looking. This hat is amazing. You should definitely buy it. How much? 1. Oh, okay. Well, then I guess I can buy it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anything else? No. Bye. Thank you for coming here. Oh, and I also own this place, too. Oh, wow. Nice clothes. Sorry, but I can't afford it anymore. Oh, it's okay. Goodbye, ma'am. Okay, the woman was really weird. Okay, so they said that I can get my face done here. Excuse me? Huh, who are you? I'm the girl that you said to meet me? Oh, yes, the girl. Well, anyway, he was my secret fortune teller. And I'm actually the secret sloth warrior. Okay, I guess. Now look, sweetie. You're gonna have to act like me, and then I'll give you a face smoker. Okay, I'm not sure if I trust you, but okay, I guess. So yeah, meet me in 5 days. 5 days? Yeah, ma'am. You gotta dress. Okay. Anyway, sorry, sweetie, but you kind of look like that hair. Oh, okay, geez, thanks. Oh, no, sweetie, it's okay. Like, don't even kiss me. I have a mom. Oh, sorry, dear. Bye. Oh my God, she's so weird. Oh, hello, ma'am. Would you like this backpack? I'm the same girl. No, you're not. I never saw you before. Oh my God, so stupid. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Caddy! Hazel, wait now! Oh, okay, there we go. Let's go. It's about this new hat. Phew. Hey, Mom, I'm home. Mom? Ew, oh my gosh. Honey, you look disgusting. Honey, tomorrow's a school. You better prepare. Okay, Mom. I better get a face smoker tomorrow. I better get this hat. I better wear this mask tomorrow. To be honest, I look prettier, but I look prettier either way. Better put my backpack. Where's Hazel? Hazel? Oh, there you are. Hazel, you really helped me out. I'm still thinking. I got my money. Ooh, this beautiful flower. keep it there. And this is my phone and my water bottle. Put that in my bag. Well, maybe I can search up on my computer instead of my phone because my phone is it won't work. But a computer, you can add it more. So, okay. I'm going to search up. Okay. And Lily searched for hours and hours, and then she finally found a cure. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'll get that. Whoa, it costs $9 for the payment. Do I have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh shoot, I only have 7. Okay, so I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to get some money. But I don't have any more money. Okay, I'm not a baddie, but I'm gonna have to rob the bank. Well, not rob the bank, I mean get some money somewhere. I don't know, I'm just gonna ask them at nighttime. But if they don't, well, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to get the money. Just need $2. Okay, it's gonna be nighttime soon. So while I do it, maybe I can practice my guitar. Jesus Christ, what's that noise? What's that noise, darling? Excuse me? Oh my God. Honey, that's beautiful. Thanks. Anyway, it's almost nighttime anyway. Better get to sleep, but I gotta change. Perfect. I better remove this makeup. Ugh, I have so much makeup on. Okay. Okay. Time to go to sleep. Darling, go to sleep. Okay, Mom. Okay, good. Now it's nighttime. Okay, so my cat said I don't understand her, but she knows how to write. I'm pretty impressed with my cat. We only have her like 5 years already, so she's like 5. But at the same time, when she writed, she said that to get a ticket from her mom's room. So like, okay, I better pretend that I'm going to sleep. Good night, Mom. Mom? Oh, she's probably sleeping. Okay, I better close all the lights. I'm so excited. She sleep? Good. She sleep because I'm gonna go turn off the TV. Okay, I swear she wakes up, she is so dead. And then she finally falls asleep at last. It has been like 3 hours. And, oh shoot, I forgot to turn off the pajamas. Oh my God, hopefully that wasn't that loud. Okay. Shh, be quiet. Okay, now I better get like a paper or something. Okay, I'll write on this. Okay. Oh my God, it's a VIP party. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I better hide. Here, come on. Oh no, the ticket. Who was that? Oh, what's this? A VIP ticket? Wow, interesting. Because I'm gonna hit it. This is where I keep it. Locks it. Shoot, oh no. But look around the house. Okay. Okay. I'm not looking for that brat Lily. Why she picks up a brat? Huh? Oh my God. Whatever. Maybe it's a dream. Going to sleep. Oh shoot, how do I do? I don't even know how to pick locks. The ticket is sold today. Ugh. Oh my god, you're so smart. Thank you. Go. Stop making sounds. Yes, I got my ticket. Okay, let's go. Oops, pretend that never happened. Come on, stop making noise, Mr. Cat. Okay, we better go to sleep for tomorrow and then everything will be fine. A VIP ticket for the party. Maybe I might make it, maybe not. Well, I better go to sleep. I don't want to be late. And then the next day came. Ugh, that was such a strange dream. Usually in the morning, I work out sometimes. Okay, that's enough. What are these tickets? I remember this. Kind of weird, but it's not worth it. Better wash my hands for the morning. It's soup. And I better do my makeup today. Because today I have a VIP party that I just saw on the floor yesterday. Should I get the smaller brush? Nah, I think I should get the bigger brush maybe. Oh my god, how do I get this out? Help. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna use this today. Yes. Sorry, guys. This is so embarrassing. I'm trying to get this out. Oh my god, how do you get this out? Help me, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's restart it. I'm gonna get this brush. There we go. Nice and blushy. Finally, no mistakes. Lipstick. I have an important interview. Today, I work at the bank. Lily. Yeah, Mom? Oh, wait, honey, you better get ready. Thanks, Mom. Oh, she's so ugly. I can't even stand her anymore. Ugh. Whatever. I better not should be mean or else she'll notice. Anyway, I don't want to listen to her. So, favorite magazine. Okay. Today's the day I will finally make up and ask the bank for some money. In retrievement. For sure. Okay. Better put this. Oh wait, I got school today. Okay, I'm gonna bring these two books. And my ticket. I don't think my notebook. Okay, now I need my cat. I'm gonna have to sneak her in. Sorry guys about the thunder in the background. In my world in Canada, it's actually thunder. So sorry. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared, guys. Okay, I got my cat. Now, time to get ready. Okay, I better bring my hat, maybe. The hat is more nicer. Bye, Mom. Oh, wait. Yeah, I better eat breakfast first. What should I eat? I guess I'll just eat a strawberry. I'll eat food at the cafeteria later. So, I'm not really that hungry. Oh, wait, I should water the plants. Let me water the plants. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I better go. Bye, Mom. Bye, honey. Pretty interesting here. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Are you the nerd? Ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ha. Oh, well, whatever. Oh my gosh, look at her. She looks so ugly. Yeah, no. That's okay, I guess. Oh my gosh, she's red. I want you to move. I'm gonna get that. Oh my gosh, she started to think that we will let her. Okay, you guys are crazy for some reason. Excuse you. Oh my gosh. Ew. Oh my god. Ew. Ew. Oh, what's that smell? Oh my god. Sorry about the smell. I forgot to put perfume. Whatever. What do you want? I was wondering if I can get some money. How much? Just $10. $10. How much do you have? $7. $7? What? You're poor? Oh yeah. I'm not like. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whatever. Just sit in the back. Yeah. Oh, I'm horrible at the straw. I know. Okay, I am number 1. Mr. Cat. Here, you can have a treat. Okay, who's next on my list? Number 1. Okay. Number 1. It's me. Oh, you again. Excuse me, we don't allow pets in here. Sorry, but can we? No. Fine, I'm going. Oh my gosh, shut up. Closes the door. I'm gonna have an idea. Sorry, Mr. Cat, but I'm gonna have to put you in my bag. You gotta know? Yeah. Oh wait, shoot. So yeah, I left it outside for now. Okay, good. Now go outside. Give me my money. How much? 7. Oh, okay. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, I better hide here so they don't miss. Okay, give me my ticket. Thank you. Here you go, my sir. Sure, whatever. Hey, sir, you look after her. Yeah. Wait, are you Elon Musk? You crazy? I'm just a nice random character. Jeez. Sorry. Yeah, excuse me? Yeah, bye. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, but you kind of stink. So, yeah, I know. I'm used to that. You are used to that? That's kind of sad. Okay. So you're number 1? Yeah. Do you want money? Yeah, you already paid. Did you already pay? Yes, I did. How much do you want? $10. Okay, here you go. Wait, was that a cat? Oh, no. Oh, and here, take some coins, too. Let me have my coins. Let me write your name down. Okay, you're all free to go. Thank you. I should also get a cafeteria. I'm so hungry. No, sorry, guys. Ooh, wow, this looks good. Oh, I'm surprised. Oh my god. Hello, ma'am. Would you like to eat here? Yes. They will cost $2. $2? Wow. Here you go. Cha-ching. Actually, since you look ugly. Hey, sorry. That's 2 cents. 2 cents, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Pretend I give money, okay? Wait. There's no money here? Or whatever. You have to pay. Sorry. Here you go. Yeah, what do you want? Yeah, here's the menu. Oh, I would like this. Y'all know one cows. Sweetie, I will give that right for y'all. Press this if you need it, fan. Okay, bye. Bye, oh, noobs. Bye, noobs. Oh my gosh, just so annoying. Excuse me, I'm from England, and I want you to know this is not your privacy. Sorry, I guess I'll sit here. Excuse me, ma'am. This is for VIPs. Sorry. Is it okay if I guys sit with you? Sure. Yeah, we would love to be friends. Thanks. Oh, sorry, but you kind of stink. So get out of here, loser. Oh, that was kind of harsh, don't you think? Well, not really. She's kind of a noob. Okay, Amelina, I kind of regret it now. Shut up. Amelia, what happened to you? You used to be a nice girl. So? What do you mean, so? Okay, you're acting so strange. Today you were just fine. Now you're acting this to this poor girl. Well, you said it too, so no one really cares. Okay, you know what? Why don't we just break up? Let's break up our relationship. No, Jamie Boo Boo. Stop calling me. It's James. And I'm leaving you. Do you have a crush on her or something? Do you have my prophecy? Excuse me? Drama. Oh my god, I wish I could take this job. Whatever. Okay, the girl said she wanted on the menu she said she wanted spaghetti or whatever. Yeah. I don't even know. Oh my god. Yeah, that's right. Next. Yeah, I'll stir it in there. Okay, come there. It's okay. Yeah, whatever. Oh shoot, I revealed my identity. I don't want them to know. And another gem right here. I got a gem and I'm hiding it because I don't want them to know first. Table 52. That's me. Oh, jeez. Actually, no, that's not me. Here you go, ugly man. Get stupid. Bye, yeah, whatever. I quit. Hey, I'm from England. Shut up. I don't care. So much drama. Guys, like it, subscribe for part 3. I gotta go. It's really late.